ask you a real blood clot question and me need a serious blood clot answer because me no hear once you say out of your mouth. Dog, let me come walk you. Me a sit down ya and I look on the door and I bawl and scream. Bearing in mind, I mean I like have to keep remind you, you know. But me have to remind you, you can't hear me. Me did I call your name and now me I wait for you. Hurry up and get off the blood clot swap and walk me now.
Hey, stop with the noise. Me now go out there. Out there too cold for me. You understand? Me I go sit down and watch my program and drink my coffee. But hold on. Me not have no coffee in the yard. Your blood clot lucky. If me did ever have coffee in the yard, me wouldn't move, you know. But me I go walk it this time. But you better make sure you pick up your blood clot foot. Because me walk fast. Me will take that one then. But you carry on and go on with it. Just like coffee say, you know. Go on with it, go on with it. You carry on and go on with it. Cause me I go leave you a nice blood clot present in that kitchen later on if you carry on, you know. And you can't buy it a shop. And it look like coffee, but you can't drink it. And if you drink it, you are going to fart in ya. So go on with it, go on with it. Lessons for a life and yes. Hold on. How you attack? How you attack? Our carry on. Me will hope to see this present. Because if the present look like anything, what me thinks it gonna look like, watch me and you. You're not gonna sit down again for the rest of your blood clot life. Just hurry up and come now. The breeze. That's so me did need. Lord have mercy, the boy have me locked up in the blood clot yard like some cage. Be better off in the blood clot back garden. At least me would I get some blood clot breeze.
Listen, y'all, nobody get too excited, you know. So catch all the ratty breeze you need. Because by the time you turn around and pop your neck again, you back in the blood clot yard. In the warm where you need to be. And only because of the coffee when I come out, you know. Because if not for the coffee, Jan want me body with a steel cement down in the settee. So me I tell you, enjoy every segment. Blood clot, look who out ya. The mad man no rotted. Hold on, let me change my cap. Hold on. Because I don't want it to spot me. Alright. We change out now, so him can't spot me. That's whole head straight, boy. And nobody even look across the ratty road. If you look across the road, me fuck. Hold on. That look like Jimmy across the road. Jimmy! What Jimmy that? Look like Jimmy do. What am I holding head straight? Jimmy! Hold on. Jimmy that? But Jimmy wear a red beanie and him wear a grey cap. So you can't Jimmy that. Hold on, let me go over the road just to make sure. Because I look like him. I know how him walk. He look like Jimmy, man. Hold on. Nigga, don't run up on me like that. You know me. You know who I'm motherfucking from, nigga. You know what said I'm weird, bitch. If you don't know, you better motherfucking know, nigga. Don't run up on me like that. Bearing in mind, my motherfucking name ain't Jimmy. So who the fuck you looking for around here, punk? Listen, man, son. Me come out here and ask you one question. And that one question was very valuable because me did think that you are my brethren who named Jimmy. But you not my brethren who named Jimmy. You just a little idiot why you stand up on a car now and sell two bag. And me nah give no information why not the bag, you know. So carry on and go where your blood clot go. Cause coffee in the shop I call me. So later. You better keep it stepping, motherfucker, and let me catch your bitch ass on this corner again. I'm gonna text your ass for life. Hey, I what that little boy said to you? Because you come back over here a little scared then. I want him said to you. You want me to go over there and deal with him little blood clot? Cause you see these teeth them? My bite down pan him ras if he carry on. Just give me the word. Give me the signal. Give me the blood clot signal. Me want fight. Give me the signal.
Him never said nothing, man. No worry about it. Just hold your head straight and come, man. Me just want me coffee and me want me electric and whatever else me want in the shop. Me gonna need some chocolate after this car, boys.
Listen, just stay yourself, please. Do me the one favor and stay yourself. Nobody cause no trouble, you know. Cause from once me hear a bark, you know, me have to drop everything in the shop. So nobody make up the night. Just sit down yourself and wait. Me I go stay here. You carry on and go inside. Me a good dog. But me I go pepper this little blood clot across the road. Hey pussy, you think so you bad? Come deal with me. Hold on, me I go come for blood clot you instead. Man, And who is this motherfucking dog in front of me? Whoever it is, they better come and claim it before I kill it, nigga. Because I ain't fucking around. You see me, I'm gangster, nigga. Full 100. And what, bitch? Oh, so you think I'm scared, eh? Alright, let me show you how these Q9 teeth feel in your blood clot skin.
Somebody better come and get this fucking dog, nigga.
You ain't catching me today, little motherfucker. Hold on. How would the blood clot this dog on? Fufu. Oh. Let me do what you do to me in the yard and hold me head straight. Me catching at the yard, you little fucker, you. Calm as a bitch, you know. If RSPC knock my door, me no hear nothing. The one time me go for defend this little blood clot idiot and him run off from me. Oh, me understand. This are the last and the final time me I go thinking of my little brain fi come save you, you know. Bearing in mind, me tell you this time and me help you out this time, and you know what, and take me help for kindness, yeah, take it for weakness. So go on. Alright, me know if it's sack of your little blood clot. Watch when me get in the yard.